Foxit's PDF Compressor is a high-volume document conversion solution that specializes in helping organizations convert thousands or millions of documents from many different file formats to searchable PDF or PDF-A. One of the unique capabilities of the product is that it's able to reduce the file size of image documents by 50 or much more %. When employees are working from home or from a branch location, they often experience very slow file transfer and open times. By reducing the file size of typical documents by 50%, PDF Compressor helps businesses to double remote document access performance and therefore helps to save them thousands of hours of business productivity. PDF Compressor's hot folder monitoring services make it very simple to integrate the product into everyday business processes. For organizations that would like deep integrations, we also offer free APIs. PDF Compressor has several key differentiating capabilities. First of all, the ability to leverage all CPU cores in a PC or server allows PDF Compressor to process more documents more quickly than many other solutions. In addition to that, the ability to reliably convert documents from many different file formats to searchable PDF or PDF-A with built-in exception processing helps to make the solution an extremely efficient product, especially when working on large conversion projects. Finally, the document compression capability that enables customers to reduce their file sizes of image documents by more than 50% not only helps to improve business productivity, but of course also helps with storage cost reduction, especially in cloud environments where also egress costs to download documents from the cloud could come into play. PDF Compressor best fits in document-centric industries such as banking, insurance, healthcare, logistics, retail, as well as public sector or government accounts. These verticals have mass document processing teams, which are often in remote locations and therefore have slow document access times when opening those thousands of documents, and therefore they benefit greatly from a productivity perspective when the access time is accelerated. Foxit partners with CompuCenter de Mexico in the Mexican market. We offer both annual as well as project-based, page volume-based pricing, but we also offer unlimited CPU core-based pricing for customers who would prefer not to have a page volume limitation. JPMorgan Chase Bank leverages Foxit's PDF compression technology in order to process billions of documents in their mortgage processing business unit. The ability to speed up mortgage processing operations while at the same time reducing long-term storage costs for decades of document storage were the key drivers for them to choose Foxit. The United States Food and Drug Administration also uses Foxit's PDF compression technology to speed up access to documents in remote and mobile locations. They saw more than 55% file size reduction for their organization and therefore sped up document access by more than 50%. We feel that PDF Compressor is ideally positioned in the Mexican market to help organizations improve remote access performance, especially in regions that struggle with internet bandwidth and connectivity.